for tuning in today. I'm going to be bringing you guys something super special, and that is my wash and go routine. And if you have been rocking with me for a while, then you know that about 2 years ago I did a wash and go tutorial. However, I have literally a whole different head of hair. I was struggling with bleach damage at the time, and now like my hair is the healthiest it's ever been, and I use different products. So let's get started. If you guys like this video today, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and also be sure to hit that notification bell to get alerted when I post. So the shampoo I use is Creme of Nature's Coconut Milk Shampoo, and I love this shampoo so much because it does not leave my hair feeling dry or stripped. It's the kind of shampoo that cleanses and conditions your hair at the same time. I really focus shampoo towards my scalp, and I do let it roll down my hair shaft. However, I really want to focus on getting rid of the buildup. Then I go ahead and wash that out. Now the best conditioner I ever use is VO5, you guys, and I really switch off between the scents, but I just love the product in general because I feel like it really gives me good slip. And it's super cheap. I get it from Dollar Tree or Walmart for like 79 cents a bottle. And when I tell you guys, it makes the detangling process so easy. This is so good because I really could just use my fingers to detangle my hair, and I kind of switch off because sometimes my fingers miss knots, but I do most of the detangling with my hands. And I do go through with my wide tooth comb just to get some of those knots that I may have missed. And always comb from end to the root, or you'll basically just be combing your hair out and creating knots. And I only had a little bit of shedding because I went through with my hands previously, and that really minimizes the breakage and the shedding. And I know you guys are wondering, I know she is still not finger detangling her hair. So what I'm doing right here is I'm going through and clumping my curls together. Honestly, most of the definition comes from being in that shower. You want to clump those curls together early on before you start styling. And if I had to say, this is probably the most important step to me, because when I clump my curls together, it creates less frizz. Now, most of the time I do deep conditioners. However, I was running out of time. I had to wake up early in the morning for work, and I left my steamer at my sister's house. So I'm just going to squeeze my hair dry, and I'm going to dry my hair with an old t-shirt. And you should dry your hair with an old t-shirt because towels can create extra frizz for some reason. So I'm starting on damp hair, and I don't like to start from soaking wet hair because I feel like the water kind of dilutes the products and they just don't work as effective. And I also part my hair when it's damp because I don't like to create extra frizz. Then I just go ahead and section it off to make it easier to work with. And just to put a little bit moisture back in my hair, I'm using J.Anotinette Hair Care's Hydrotherapy Mist. And next I will be using J.Anotinette's Moisture Repair Cream. And I love this cream so much, you guys. It's so thick and actually really defines my curls really well. And next I will be using J.Anotinette's Hair Care Moisture Repair Elixir. And when I tell you guys, this is the best quality oil that I have ever used. It really is. Like, it really seals in my moisture and leaves my hair so shiny and moisturized. If you guys are interested in using any of these J.Anotinette hair care products, be sure to check for the link to the website in the description box. And if you use my code LYSA15, you can get 15% off at checkout. So my favorite hair gel in the whole entire world is the Main Choice Crystal Orchid Biotin Infused Styling Gel. And just look at the consistency of this gel, you guys. It is the best quality gel I've ever used. And you don't have to put a lot when you cut your hair strands, because a little bit goes a long way with this product. And the most important part of my wash and go is when I take each curl one by one and I smooth them around my fingers. Now let's do this one more time. I spritz my hair with either water or some kind of mist. I smooth J.Anotinette's cream through my hair. Then I put the oil in my hair, focusing more so on my ends, which is the oldest part of my hair. Then I coat my hair strands with the gel. Then I separate my curls one by one, smoothing the gel throughout my hair and wrapping them around my fingers. And I just repeat this whole process throughout my head. Now, if you look at my hair, you can kind of see like a white film, and as my hair dries, that leaves. And here's what my curls look like after I finish with my whole head. Now sometimes I just let my hair air dry, but most of the time I do diffuse my hair on medium heat, and this is because I do not like to sleep with wet hair, and it kind of elongates my curls. And I just take that diffuser and just keep moving it around my head until my hair is about 70% dry. Now I do take 2 scrunchies and I put my hair in 2 ponytails. This kind of minimizes shrinkage, and it allows me to apply that diffuser to my roots to make sure that they are dry all the way. And I do take the pick and I pick my hair out a little bit before it dries all the way, and that kind of helps with volume, and I love volume, you guys. And for some reason my hair in the back experiences the most shrinkage, so I put my hair in a high ponytail, kind of like a pineapple, and I just walk around for a few hours. And on this day I actually did have to go to work, so I put my hair into a high ponytail and put out some curls on the side and try to make it like a cute style. And this is what my hair looks like the next day after I woke up, and it was 100% dry. So I just kind of take my pick and just pick it to the volume that I want it to be. However, that's not all I do. I take those little mini scrunchies that you put in little girls' hair, and I do the banding method, and this really stretches my hair out and elongates my curls. Depending on the length of your hair will also determine how many scrunchies you should put in your hair. So I put 3 on each side, and this method can work for any style that you want to stretch. And you really don't have to leave these scrunchies in for too long to see results. Right here, I just walked around for 1 hour before I took them out, and I really did see a difference. And once I take those scrunchies out, I just take my pick and I pick my hair to the volume that I want it to be. And I'm always cautious about how much I pick my hair out, because I don't want to lose that definition and I don't want to create too much frizz. On first day hair, I always have the least amount of volume. However, as the days go on, my hair does get bigger. And this is the end result of my wash and go, you guys. This is my go-to style because it always lasts me a long time, And I can do so many other hairstyles with the wash and go. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. If you like the content that you've seen today, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you guys would like for me to do in the future, any hairstyles that you would like for me to try and see. But I will see you next time on Living with Lisa.